G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to create a slice effect in Canva. And we're going to focus on the slice effect relating to the can. So go into Elements and choose a can. I've chosen this can here. So I'm going to click on it and bring it into the canvas. And I'm going to enlarge it. And I'm going to place it in the center like so. Then I'm going to duplicate it twice and place it over the top like so. And on the top layer I'm going to bring it down to the bottom, and I'm going to click again on this layer. I'm going to bring it to about the middle and drag that one down, and then on the other I'm going to bring it up and line it up like so. Now you have your three sections of the can. Basically what you need to do is just lift that up, drag that down, and we're going to create like a 3D visual on each section. So come over to circle, and what you want to do is place the circle like so, extend it out like so, and you just want to check that it's lined up on either side. So a little trick I use is press the mouse button there and then use the control button to just get it right on the edge like so, and then we just drag it up to get our desired look, place it back over the top, use the arrow keys to nudge it over, and that's pretty much right. Then what we want to do is press on here on color, and we want to go to gradient, add a new color, go to gradient, and we want to change this color to the orange, and we want to add a new color. Come over here to the first one on the left, use the color picker, and we want to change this to a lighter color like so. Then what we want to do is we want to duplicate this one, bring this over here, and we just want to change that back to an orange color. So we'll come down here and choose orange, and we'll place this one, what I should say is go to that color, and you want to choose the circular gradient to make it look like it's a circle inside. Alright, so we'll come back here, we'll change this to a lighter orange, then we'll come over here, place this in, drop that down like so to create like a border. Then what you want to do is highlight both of those, group that, duplicate it, bring it down here like so, and again use the control key to make sure that we get it on the edges like so. One minor adjustment like so. Okay, and then we want to do the same for this one. So come up here, go duplicate, and bring this down here. And again, use the control key to adjust that. And this one over here. Like so. adjustment. Like so. So you've got that one, and then this one up here, again duplicate, drag it up like so. Check it, that looks alright. So now what you want to do is ungroup these ones, ungroup this one, and we will go to layers, show layers, and we want to get rid of that one, and then we just want to adjust that and adjust this one like so, and we want to do the same to this one. Want to delete that, and we want to adjust that like so, and we want to adjust this one like so. Okay, and we want to just drag this one down behind the top like so, and do the same for this one, and drag it down like so. We're trying to just get this effect here, as you can see, around there and around there. Alright, so we'll come back to our main design. We'll drop down. Alright, so as you can see in this one, I've added all various text and everything. I'm not going to do that as part of this tutorial. You can muck around with the various additions. So I'm just going to simply show you the slice effect. So we'll group that one, we'll group that one, and we'll group that one. And then you can just play around with it by tilting like so, and like so. And there you have it. That is the slice effect within Canva of a can. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe to and like and press that notification button on the Fun with Canva YouTube channel. Until next time, have fun with Canva. Bye for now.